And this rib is made of fiberglass, carbon fiber. See, very strong. Everyone, this is Jordan. Today I'm gonna show you about a factory of umbrella which is named the Shenzhen Hongjie Umbrella Company Limited. Now let's go through their workshop and their sample room. So now we're standing in their production line, and here we verify the factory and later about their products also. For this production flow, they're staging for the assembly of the canopy. And this is the semi-product they're doing. You can see like this. The worker is cutting the big cloth into the small pieces so they can be assembled for the canopy. So in this workflow, the workers are stitching the canopy and the ribs together so they can be a whole umbrella, like this. So I've been always wondering why a new umbrella is folded very perfectly, and here we see why. Because a professional worker can fold the umbrella to be as perfect as possible. I'm sorry I have to destroy your work. You can see, very beautiful, huh? Okay, after the handle installing, and we put the a little bag onto it and then pack it into the carton. So after all the work is done, this is their warehouse for the finished product, and from this point, Flash will take care of the whole logistic procedures. And let's see about their finished product. So you can see this is a very nice one, and they will be shipped to the USA in a few weeks, and we will take care of all the procedure and end delivery. Okay, so after checking the factory and the production flow, and let's come to the sample room. And if you're in this business, let me show you their varieties and how amazing their product is. And you can see here, this is the golf umbrella and the foldable umbrella. And let me show you this one. I pretty much like this because this is very strong and lightweight, and this rib is made of fiberglass, carbon fiber. See, very strong. This is the golf umbrella. And afterward, you can see a lot of different design and the varieties. And this one is the golf ball umbrella. If you're in this game or if you're familiar with it, you would know that this one is covered on the whole of the golf ball, and this tip can be folded. Okay. And let's come through, because this is the reversed umbrella, which is amazing because when it's raining and you get into the car, this one will not make your car messy, because all this part will be folded when you fold it inside, so your car will be clean. And then we can see a lot of different design and varieties over here, and the kids umbrella, which is very cute for the kids. Also, if you want such commodity, or if you are in need of this logistic service of these umbrellas and all these kind of goods, you can rely on Flash Logistics, because we are professional in shipping from China to USA. Okay, we can take care of the procedure and everything else. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.